So what, 37, 38 points lower on the Nifty at this point. There are some flashes. Doesn't seem very material at this point. NCLT has deferred the implementation of the December 19th order after the company sought modifications. This is with respect to the Committee of Creditors approving JSW Steel's acquisition of Vardhaman Industries. This was a December 19th order. JSW Steel had approached the NCLT for some changes, modifications, and now NCLT has deferred the implementation of its earlier order. So we'll dig a little deeper. I'll tell you if it's something to take note of. But for now, the stock is unmoved. TCS, of course, is on our radar as it will be reporting the third quarter earnings later. Rima is here with a quick update of the big numbers to expect from TCS. Rima.
Well, the numbers should be out post-market hours closer to 5 o'clock. The stock has been a big outperformer. It's rallied close to about 40% in the last 1 year, outperforming the Nifty IT, which rallied close to about 20%. And that's because the company has been reporting good numbers. In fact, it's on track to end FY19 with a double-digit growth. In Q2, its constant currency growth was at 11.5%. This quarter, the momentum will weaken if you look at it quarter on quarter on account of seasonality, year-end furloughs. So we're working with a dollar revenue growth of 1.2%. In constant currency, it should be a growth of 1.7 to 2%, which is lower than the 3.7% growth that it had in Q2. That's on a quarter-on-quarter basis. But if I compare it to last year, then the growth will look better because December quarter of last year had a growth of 1.3%. Margins will be slightly higher by 20 basis points, aided by the rupee depreciation. Rupees depreciated a little more than 2% on an average this quarter. And margins will continue to be within the company's guided band of 26 to 28% for the second consecutive quarter. Profit, according to our poll, should be higher by close to about 3.5%. What the street will watch very closely will be any kind of management commentary on the outlook for calendar year 2019. There are concerns on global macros. It appears to be a lot more uncertain given the trade worries, Brexit. There's a possibility of a US growth slowing down. Accenture, when they came out with their numbers last month, they warned of a volatile macro environment. So that will be closely tracked. And secondly, even on the margin front, because while the rupee has depreciated on an average this quarter, end to end, the rupee is now trending close to 70. So there has been an appreciation which could eat into the company's margins in the coming quarters. Back to you.
Okay, thank you, Rima, for that. So results are expected post-market hours. And do remember to catch the management brief the press this evening at 5:15 p.m. only on CNBC-TV18.